Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Hei Hei. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off near the top and let's draw the beak. Let's draw a large curve up and bring it down. And then let's bring it down and back up at the bottom. Now inside, let's draw two curves meeting at a point in the center. And then in the top section, two small angles up for the nostrils. Now we're going to hop on top of the beak and let's draw a curve at the top. Then from the left, let's bring it down and curve it back up. And the same thing on the right side, a little bit longer. Now top out on both sides and draw the eyes. Let's start on the top corners and let's draw a circular curve out and bring it back in. Now inside each eye, let's draw another small circle towards the outside. And color these both in black. Now on top of each eye, let's draw a curve up and bring it down. And another curve down underneath each eye like this. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's add the feathers on top of the head. On top of the left eye, let's draw a curve up and over to the right side. Then on top of the right eye, let's draw another curve up and over. Then from the top, let's curve it down and up. Another curve down. And then let's add two curved pieces over to the right side. And one more line over to close off the feathers. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop down and let's draw the neck. Underneath each of the eyes, let's draw an angle down and in. And then let's continue it underneath by curving it down. And a curve up and in underneath. And now let's add another curved piece underneath both sides. Now that we're done the neck, let's continue drawing the shape of the body. On the left, let's angle it down. Then let's curve it down, flicking it out for the top of the wing. And curve it back in underneath. Now top over to the right side and let's angle it out. Then let's draw a long curve down and bring it up. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's move in and let's draw the details. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a zigzag line down. And continue it by curving it towards the center here. And continue it over and up on the right side. Now let's hop inside the wing at the top and let's draw a line down and over. And let's continue this down to the bottom. Then at the end of the wing, let's draw curves going in. Next, we're going to hop to the right side and draw the other wing. We'll start with a curve down and up. And another one underneath. And one more curve back in. And that's it for the body. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. Let's start underneath the left wing and let's draw an angle down and in. And then another angle in on the right here. Now next to this, let's draw 2 more angles for the other leg. And close off the bottom of each one with a zigzag line. Now underneath, let's add 2 curves down. Now let's add the feet, starting with the left side. Let's start with the first toe by bringing it down and up. And the next one going out to the left. Now let's hop up, and for the last toe, let's curve it out and back in. And then let's add a curved V shape at the end of each toe for the nails. Now let's hop over to the right and let's draw the other foot. We'll start underneath and let's draw a curve over and back around. Then let's add the toe down and next to it on the right here. Another one next to it. And then one more on top. And add the toenail at the ends. And that's it for the feet. Lastly, we're going to draw the tail. On top of the left wing, let's draw a zigzag line up and back down. Now let's add the feathers coming out. On top, let's draw a wavy line out and down. And the same thing underneath, meeting at a point at the end. And let's add another wavy line inside. Now on the left, let's draw a curve down. And then from the end, let's bring it up. Add a V-shaped notch up. Another curve up. Another notch. And one more curve in. Now we're going to add another larger feather on top. Let's hop back in and let's draw a curve up here. And curve it out and down. Then let's curve it back in underneath. And add a curve inside. Now we're going to add a few more feathers at the bottom. Let's draw a wavy line down and bring it back up. And add a curve inside. And then let's add another one next to it. And again, a line inside from the top. And that's it for Hei Hei. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!